How we doing? Welcome back out to the Willamette National Forest for my review of Old School from Razor Emporium. We'll also be talking about the new Rex blades that I've been using for 2 weeks yesterday. Been using them every single day. Well, there's one exception, but virtually every single day. Old School, I love it. Gonna try and kind of go fast. We have a thunderstorm coming, and it's coming in faster than what the weatherman had predicted. Imagine that. Looking for my bougie spray bottle here. Going to be applying the tube Preshave. I have also with me the Rex Konsul. That's the adjustable slant razor. I bought that in Razor Emporium back in 2022. It has a date code of S1, so that is the first quarter of 2022. I absolutely love it. If you saw my top 10 slant razors, I think that was the most recent video in which I talked directly about it. The top notes in Old School are leather, black pepper, and vetiver, frankincense, clove, aloe, tobacco, bay leaves, and white musk. First use loaded in my console. The fragrance on the sales page, it says, I forget, they have a couple of words listed, but clean and fresh, but I would also add to clean and fresh rugged. The Best Badger had this for a few years. I also have the orange one. I do not have the synthetic, but I have this and the orange, same knot in both, 26 millimeter and I believe a 55 millimeter loft. Captain's Choice. Already scooped using my Ian Lagaki Last Shadow. So clean, fresh, and rugged. If we had to use 3 words, here comes Athena, our 5-month, almost 6-month-old German Shepherd pup. How we doing, sweetheart? Want to say hi to everybody? Oh, she's so big. Okay, I know, I'm sorry. That was bad form, Rufio. Bye, I love you. Clean, fresh, and rugged. My setup's a little wonky. Not using a mirror today. The leather and pepper in this are seamless. The leather is light, it is noticeable, and it is there throughout most of the fragrance. As this fragrance evolves, an earthy, smoky essence of vetiver and frankincense emerge. Now, I absolutely love this fragrance. Here in a minute, we're going to talk about something. In fact, no, just give me a second. We'll talk about it. We're still celebrating my 2K subscriber giveaway. I got a couple of winners for brushes. Let's announce those real quick. Jeff Dinker and Ray Kennedy. Those are the 2 winners for my Doppelganger Orange review. Congratulations, gentlemen. Contact me, and whoever contacts me first will get first pick of one of those brushes, courtesy of Frank Ming at Frank Shaving. And then the second person will get the second choice, and I have like 10 or 12 for you to choose from. Badger, boar, synthetic, all the ones that I've shared previously on my channel. Definitely going to need more water. And get the face a little wet. Put a few squirts in my bowl. Get it picked up into the brush. The black pepper and clove both bring a spiciness to it, and so throughout the fragrance you do kind of get this spice note, and it's hard for me to distinguish where the black pepper dies off and where the clove picks up. Did I say we're expecting thunderstorms and we've already had rain? It was raining on me a minute ago. It wasn't supposed to be here for a few more hours, but it's here. The wife and the girls are over here somewhere. The fragrance, oh, I'm almost forgetting. So, here in a second, right? Do not comment below. We're doing this giveaway different. In the comments below, what I want you to put is either Instagram, Messenger, or email. I want to enter this giveaway that we're kicking off in this video. So what we just did a second ago was from my Doppelganger Orange review. Jeff Dinker and Ray Kennedy are the winners of that. here in a second. It's starting to rain. We're going to talk about my next giveaway. Let's finish talking about this fragrance real quick. I'm all over the place, I know. I'm trying to be fast, and it's to my own detriment. It's softened by the fresh green touch of aloe, while the rich tobacco adds depth and complexity. And then it's rounded off with the herbal nuance of bay leaves and a clean, sensual white musk. Here comes the storm. So, in the comments below, I want you to contact me via Instagram, Messenger, or email. However you contact me, just put that below, and then I will not reply to your comment until I've got it. And once I do, I'll just put thank you or something like that. I'll say, thank you, got it, or something like that. $100 gift card courtesy of Matt at Razor Emporium, and a $50 gift card to Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements courtesy of Douglas and Fran at Phoenix Shaving. So we're doing a Phoenix, Arizona giveaway here today. Mentioning anything about this giveaway in the comments below other than Instagram, email, or Messenger disqualifies you. Reach out to me through one of those methods. The link tree is in the description. Saying whatever you want to say, as long as you let me know that you're in for the giveaway. $100 gift card to Razor Emporium, $50 gift card to Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. I'll draw 2 winners. The first name that I draw will be for the $100 gift card to Razor Emporium, and the second winner I draw will be for the $50 gift card to Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Thank you, Douglas. Thank you, Fran. And thank you, Matthew. The Rex Konsul. I love it. If you can afford it, I highly recommend it. It is a legacy piece, an heirloom piece, a piece that you'll be able to pass down to future generations. I'm not using a mirror. I have this on 2.5, setting 2.5. It's an adjustable. I plan to do this in my Razor review series. The most recent one was the Rex Konsul that I did. Virtually no blade feel. It's definitely one of those razors that you cannot feel the blade, like, at all. Solid stainless steel, made in America. Now the blades, they are made in the Czech Republic. I've used a total of 6. This will actually be my 7th blade that I opened up today. I bought a 20-pack the day that Matthew first announced them on Instagram. They're a little pricier than some blades, but cheaper than others. I often get myself on the Adam's apple when I'm shaving out here like this. That's all me. Poor lighting, multitasking, and no mirror. This razor is smooth as butter. That was all operator error, that little weeper right there. So the blades on Razor Emporium's website, they have them listed as, when it comes to efficiency or aggressiveness, Razor Emporium has a chart, a graph, a rating scale from 1 to 5, with 5 being the most efficient or most aggressive, it's like being like the sharpest. If I recall correctly, they give this a 4.5 or 4. And I'd say that's fair. They are more efficient than average. I would definitely give them a 4 if 5 is like the most efficient thing ever. A Kai, a Feather, that kind of thing. I think 4 is a very fair score. So far, the most I've used one is for 3 shaves. And that 3rd shave was very comfortable. And I believe I've done that twice. I have a blade at home right now hanging on my magnet that is actually on its 3rd shave, waiting to be used for a 4th shave, rinsing off my razor. With this fragrance, my wife and Emily aren't crazy about it. They're not crazy about old school fragrances. This has definitely got a very old school vibe to it. Alexis gives it a 5, meaning she likes it. 5, I like it. 10, I love it. 1, I hate it. Emily doesn't hate it, but she doesn't like it either. She only gives it a 3. that definitely has a very old school vibe to it, and clean, fresh, and rugged are the three words that I would use to describe it. That aloe, like I don't really smell aloe, but what the aloe is definitely doing is bringing with it this like green and freshness to it and helping to soften the fragrance. Just gonna go 2 passes here today. Use my towel to wipe off. So once again, our winners are Jeff Dinker and Ray Kennedy for the Frank's brushes. For the giveaway, nothing in the comments other than how you contacted me. And if you just put the word Instagram or just the word messenger, that's all I need from you. Trying to do this one on the down low. Just gonna slide it in under the radar, so to speak. So however you want to contact me, my link tree is in the description. Click on the link tree, reach out to me, and then let me know how you reached out to me. And then that way, you know and I know that I have acknowledged your entry. That way you don't have to wonder whether or not it's gotten lost. And then once I see or find it, I will comment on your comment, which is, thank you, got it, something like that, depending on what you say. And then that will be your confirmation that I have received your entry. And when you message me, just, hey, Tobin, I'm in. How's it going, Tobin? Saw your video, blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to say, just let me know that you're in. $100 gift card, Razor Emporium, $50 gift card. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Of course she bends over. That's for me. I'm a very blessed man. And you know what? This storm has held off. As I was setting up, it was getting loud. So it was just like a forerunner to the storm, I guess, eh? So that was the Witch Hazel, the Galactic Witch Hazel from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And I just put it in this little bottle for travel. The Razor Emporium splashes, you do want to shake them up. I've never tried one of their EDPs, but I have owned and do own several of their fragrances. And for the price, it is one hell of a product. The splash is only $15. The soap is $16, and then you can get the trio, $42 or something like that. And that's the splash, balm, and soap. So all of it is extremely fairly priced. I absolutely love this fragrance. I really do. I would give it an 8 all day long, any day. I think you can wear it in any season. It is light enough because of the aloe and the bay leaves that you can wear it in the summer. And at the same time, because of the tobacco, the leather, you can wear it in the winter, fall. This is an all season, any occasion fragrance. And I absolutely love it. I want to thank you guys for joining us out here. Am I really getting this done in just 13 minutes? I was kind of getting her done, wasn't I? So, do I recommend the blades? Yes, I do. Are they my favorite blades? No, not yet. But I really don't have a favorite blade. I love like 30 or 40 different blades. I'm a pretty easy guy to please at the end of the day, So, I love them. I will always have them in my arsenal. My goal will be always to have them. They would definitely be in my top 10 already, and I would recommend them to anyone that wanted to try them. I enjoy them, I do, and I plan to do a full review of them coming up where I'm going to compare them to a couple of other blades. Finally, this guy wakes up during my video. I've been telling him about it. Girls. Here comes Luna. Hi, babies. Hi. You hanging out with your mom? Go get mom. Go get mom. Go get mom. Best dogs ever. Best woman ever. Best friend. Best everything. Well, I'm going to take that as Mother Nature's way of telling me it's time to get out of the forest while it's still safe. Thank you for joining me. Thank you again, Matthew, Douglas, and Fran, for being a part of my 2K subscriber giveaway. Thank you, Frank, for the brushes. Keep an eye out, guys, for future giveaways. I'm not done yet. Still got more to go. And yeah, Old School. And you know, too, before I forget, if you're on the fence with Old School, he does have the sample pack of like 9 different fragrances for like $15 or something like that. Check out what Matt and DJ is the artisan down there who's actually making all the Matt soaps for Matt. They're doing some good stuff in Arizona. I bought everything in the video today. I'm not going to make a dime off of saying that, but they are doing things right down there at Razor Emporium. They really are. Take care, guys. Welcome to the B-roll. I hope I was able to complete the shave. Give you guys a 360 of my surroundings. That's the trail we came in on. Beautiful bride and the girls. Our gear. And the stand. Hope I was able to complete the shave. Thanks for joining us out here, guys. It's the little big things, like being safe in a thunderstorm. Take care.